You're not going to believe what just dropped from Google. I asked a single question, and Gemini wrote me a full-blown 6-page research paper with citations, with references, with an audio narration like a podcast. And get this, I didn't even move a muscle. This is not your average AI assistant. Gemini Deep Research is like having a full-time research partner who doesn't sleep, doesn't get annoyed, and definitely doesn't get distracted. In this video, I'm gonna break down how it works, how you can use it step by step, and whether this could be the beginning of the end for Google search as we know it. Let's start now, shall we? All right, quick backstory. Picture this, I'm juggling tabs, trying to research something simple, the future of renewable energy, and I've got brain fog, 0 notes, and somehow 3 half-eaten cookies. Don't ask. That's when I found Gemini Deep Research. Let me walk you through what makes this tool wildly different from anything else out there. Step 1, ask a complex, thought-provoking question. This isn't like typing, "What is climate change?" into Google. You're asking layered, real-world stuff like, how is AI applied in agriculture to combat food shortages in developing countries? Right away, you'll notice it gets what you're saying. No dumbed-down results. Step 2, breaks down your question like a detective. Gemini doesn't just scan a few websites, it dissects your prompt, identifies keywords, subtopics, and search angles, then scans through multiple trusted sources, peer-reviewed papers, academic journals, news outlets with credibility, even up-to-date government and nonprofit databases. And then, here's the magic. Step 3, it compiles everything into a clean, structured document. We're talking full-blown report style. Intro, key insights, bullet points, stats, reference links, everything. It's not a lazy summary. It reads like something you'd hand in for an actual college assignment, or even cite in a professional paper. And yes, you can export it to Google Docs with one click. Perfect if you're building a report, writing a blog post, prepping a presentation, or scripting a video just like this one. Step 4, it gives you an audio version. That's right, it reads the research back to you, like a personal podcast. So while you're folding laundry, commuting, or just lying flat on the couch, it's feeding your brain high-level research insights. You know how game-changing that is for students pulling all-nighters, authors deep in book outline, researchers, analysts, even busy parents? This is next-level support. It's not just AI, it's productivity on steroids. Now, we get to the good part, because clearly I had to push it to its limits, right? So I was playing lazy. I typed in, give me some information regarding history. That's all. Not details, not direction, just vibes. And Gemini just clapped back with, specifically indicate your subject matter. What historical event or time period do you wish to learn about? What? I got AI schooled. No sugarcoating, no filler, just a cold, courteous, do better. And strangely enough, respected it because it could have spit out a generic Wikipedia summary, but it didn't. It generally stated, if you seek quality answers, you'd better ask better questions. It was that moment that revealed everything to me. Gemini isn't attempting to baby you. It's made for individuals who are earnestly interested in learning, reasoning, and building genuine value. Only then did it click that this isn't another AI chatbot. It's not your everyday tool that spews facts from haphazard Reddit posts or subpar blog posts. Geminis are that one hyper-efficient friend who knows some trick up their sleeve to use Google like a PhD student and actually likes doing all the digging for you. You point it in a direction, it produces a blueprint, a legitimate, formatted piece with insight, substance, and actual references you can follow up. And here is my favorite part. It doesn't simply wish to respond to your question, it wishes to refine the way you pose questions. Dive deeper into the why and how, beyond the what. Whether you're a student, content creator, founder of a startup, or just an inherently curious person, this is like taking your research process on steroids. Those obsolete times of opening 17 tabs and getting drowned by information. So yes, Google did not just casually release another AI assistant to the world. They built what is probably the smartest, most people-centric study resource I've ever gotten my hands on. And the craziest part, nobody is really discussing it so far. This product is completely underappreciated. If you're continuing to watch, first of all, you're elite, officially family. Secondly, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, drop the most unusual, most challenging, most precise research question you can imagine in the comments, and let's put Gemini to the test together.